Are your workouts feeling stagnant? It's common to hit a fitness plateau, where progress tapers off despite continued effort. The good news is, there are strategies to overcome this roadblock and keep advancing towards your goals. First, reconsider your training routine. Plateaus often occur when your body adapts to a consistent exercise regimen. Add variety by incorporating new exercises, changing the order or intensity, or trying different workout styles altogether. Next, reassess your goals and establish milestones. Having specific targets will help you stay motivated and track progress more accurately. Break down big goals into smaller, achievable ones to maintain a sense of accomplishment along the way. Pay close attention to your nutrition. Sometimes, plateaus can be the result of not properly fueling your body. Ensure you're consuming enough protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats to support your workouts and aid in muscle recovery. Don't forget about recovery itself. Overtraining can hinder progress, so allow yourself ample rest and prioritize sleep. Consider incorporating active recovery days, where you engage in light activities like stretching or yoga. Consider seeking guidance from a fitness professional or incorporating strength training. A trainer can provide personalized advice and help you push past plateaus. Additionally, strength training is effective in stimulating muscle growth and boosting metabolism. Lastly, stay positive and be patient with yourself. Overcoming plateaus takes time, but with determination and a willingness to adapt, you'll break through and continue your fitness journey towards new heights. Overcoming fitness plateaus can be a challenging task for many individuals. A fitness plateau occurs when progress in performance or physical appearance stagnates despite continued efforts. However, there are strategies to break through these plateaus and continue progressing toward fitness goals. One effective method is to vary your exercise routine. Trying new exercises or altering the intensity and duration of your current routine can shock your body and stimulate further improvement. Cross-training is another useful technique, incorporating different types of exercises to engage various muscle groups. Additionally, maintaining proper nutrition plays a crucial role in overcoming plateaus. A balanced diet rich in protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats provides the necessary fuel for energy and muscle recovery. Proper hydration is equally important as it supports metabolism and aids in overall physical performance. Setting realistic and achievable goals is essential when working to overcome fitness plateaus. Breaking down larger goals into smaller, attainable milestones allows for a sense of progress and motivation along the way. Consistency is key, as regular participation in physical activities will help maintain progress and prevent plateaus from occurring. Lastly, monitoring and tracking your progress can provide valuable insights. Keeping a workout journal or utilizing fitness apps allows you to assess your performance over time, identify areas for improvement, and make necessary adjustments. In conclusion, overcoming fitness plateaus requires a combination of varying exercise routines, maintaining proper nutrition, setting realistic goals, staying consistent, and tracking progress. By implementing these strategies, individuals can break through plateaus and continue their journey toward improved fitness and overall well-being.